In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.4, question 1, part 13. And question we have integral of sine inverse x dx. See, I have told you that if you have an inverse trigonometric function, then you have to consider it as u. Then what about v? We do not have v here. It means you have to multiply with 1. Anything multiplied by 1 will remains the same, but in this way we will get v as well. The formula we will use the same v into u into v dx, because we are going to solve this by parts. So I will write down this formula again and again. In this way you will learn, but you have to memorize this formula and the derivative of the first function, which is u here. So wherever you have u in this formula, then you have to write down sine inverse x. For v, you have to write down 1. So first is u sine inverse x 1 dx minus integral of double integral 1 dx d by dx of u, which is sine inverse x dx. So it will be sine inverse x. For this 1 dx, the integration is x minus 1, and for this is same, and the sine inverse, the derivative of sine inverse is 1 divided by 1 minus x square under root dx. So we will arrange here, it will be x into sine inverse x minus, what we will do, we will take 1 minus x square in the numerator, which will be equal to minus 1 over 2 dx. So see, without this power, the derivative should be 2x here, minus 2x, but here is only x, right? We have only x. It means it is easy to multiply and divide with constant x plus 1 over 2. Integral of 2x into 1 minus x square minus 1 over 2 dx. Okay, this is the important point why I made it positive. See, the derivative should be, without this power, it should be minus 2x, and we have only x here. So we have to multiply and divide with minus 2, right? So this is, see, this is minus minus plus, and here is minus as well. Now, okay, now what we will do, this will remains the same, and this, we have the derivative is here, we have to add power rule, we will apply here, plus 1 divided by, with the new power we will do in the next page here, x sine inverse x plus 1 over 2 1 minus x square. This you have to add 1 here, same thing, minus 1 over 2 plus 1, and then constant of integration x sine inverse x 1 over 2, and it will be positive 1 over 2, so we can write down like this. Same thing for 1 over 2 plus c. This 1 over 2 and this 1 over 2 will cancel each other. Remaining we have x into sine inverse x under root 1 minus x square plus c. This is your answer. I hope the question is clear, and thanks for watching.